There's been lots of videos on the Firman WH03242, but this is specifically about the F version, which is the refurbished. Pretty good deals on refurbished. For July 4th, it was normal price $4.99, but there was 25% off, so it took it down to about $3.75. And then there was various feedback. Some people say they got one that looked almost brand new. Other people said theirs was kind of beat up. So let's see what the luck of the draw gave me. As advertised, it is indeed the generator, the propane regulator. Looks like it's been already assembled, so I've seen some videos where you have to put the blue on. Owner's manual, maybe a quick start sheet. It does look like it's in very nice shape. I can smell gas in the gas tank. I'm sure they run it, even when it's new, they put a little gas in it to run it. But the tank looks like bone dry, which is good. I don't really plan on ever running gasoline in it, unless I need to. Get some oil in it and start her up, and we'll see what the hour meter says. I would think that maybe they would reset that, but I've read a few reviews. There's a YouTube video where the guy's first one had just a couple hours on it, and the second one showed 0 hours. So maybe they don't reset the runtime hours. Put it in the garage for a nice level floor, and I think I see why it was returned. Let's see if we can get up close. Yeah, I think the camera's picking it up. Right there, there's a little chunk taken out of the plastic, and there's a little either scratch or crack that runs along to about there. I think that's a scratch maybe. But that is actually probably good, because if it didn't have a cosmetic defect, why did it get returned? Whether it was $600 off Costco or $900 off of Firman, got your brand new unit and saw that, you'd probably think, I should take that back and get one that's not cracked. And for the price, yeah, I'll spend $375 and have a little crack over even $600 at Costco. I drained what little oil was in there. I knew it should have been shipped pretty much empty, but I took out the drain plug, and that's what came out, just a little bit of oil. Got her filled with 10W30, propane tank hooked up, propane, oh, yep, right away you heard the click of the relay over there. Okay, and it did say to put choke on. Choke, run. Is that it? That feels weird. Well, let's see what happens. Good. Not sure of the choke, that was kind of strange. It slowly went back in by itself. I'll have to look at that. So output ready, 126 volts. Smells like it's never been started before. It has that new metal and new parts getting hot for the first time smell. Okay. Okay, 124.7 volts. Not too far off from what it says, 126. mode. There we go, 123 volts. About 1,000 watts being pulled. Off. For $375. Boy, it seems hard to go wrong. I think you only get a 90-day warranty, but I'll run it again and I'll break it in. I like to change the oil pretty quickly after only like an hour or so. It's less than a quart. It's easy to do, so why not? 2 thumbs up for the Firman Refurbished WH03242.